Hey everybody, today we're in a Toyota 4Runner. I'm going to be showing you how to install the Pro Clip console mount number 834492. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see it as the blue covering here and right here. Now you want to peel that cover off before you attach the mount, and that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second of all, make sure you install the mount onto the vehicle before you screw anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. Now this mount is going to attach in two spots. This upper lip is going to grab onto the top of the console here in this little cubby that's just in front of the cup holder. And then this bottom lip is going to attach down under here where the console meets the carpet. So first of all, we're going to take this upper L-shaped lip and we're going to hook that over the top. And the tape should be making contact with the silver part of the dash here. And now, kind of put your thumb on the faceplate and your four other fingers on the side of the mount, and you're going to want to push down and inward to get the bottom lip into that seam. There we go. Now that's in place, we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom Pro Clip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.